How to permanently delete a YouTube channel on your phone in 2025? Let's begin this detailed guide. First of all, you need to open your YouTube application. After successfully opening the application, you need to click on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner. From here, select your specific YouTube channel and then click on Google account. As soon as you click on Google account, you need to click on data and privacy and then scroll down the page. As you scroll, you need to find the option clearly labeled delete Google service. Click on this option. After verifying your identity, you'll see an important option here, a basket icon prominently displayed in front of YouTube. Click on this icon, and as soon as you do, you see these crucial options appear. One is to hide your channel. If you wish to do that, click here. If you want to permanently delete your channel, click here. Check both of these essential boxes and then click on delete my content. Here you'll be asked to re-enter your email exactly once for verification. So I'll copy my email from here and then paste or carefully type it in and then click on delete my content. So our account has now been successfully deleted. This is precisely how you can permanently delete your YouTube channel. That was today's informative video. I sincerely hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for future updates.